What's going on, Ike?
It's bad. Look at that. I think I broke the nose. That might be total. I don't know. It looks like it's total.
Let's see. Let me get over here and get a different perspective.
For many years,
Yep. If I didn't know any better, I'd say that is an airplane in a tree.
for many years, I've been wanting to put a bag of salt on this tree.
Just
So-
chop it down.
Yeah, well, if you would put a bag of salt, it will die, and then we'll ask the city.
All right, let's see if we can get this.
Okay. I can't believe that.
See if I can fucking do
If you stay on the right side branch,
Use my wheel to get myself up here.
fuck.
Okay, balance. I have to balance.
The
Fucking monkey.
well, what?
Okay, hold on.
I would start on this side, just hang on in there.
Yeah.
I can't believe this. I think I'm the first guy that crossed a tree on this thing. Crossed a plane on this tree. Man. There you go. You gotta hug it. You got it, Toyota. Once you're up there, you're up. Maybe you need more.